on and off about it. I was like, should I buy it? Should I not buy it? Should I just make one on my own? And I ended up just making one. So I guess today I am going to show you guys how I turned this little, you know, plain board into this little busy board. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you guys how to make a DIY busy board. So I've been seeing busy boards ever since like the whole quarantine first started, and I wanted to buy it for my son, but when I looked on Amazon there was like $50, $100, and I'm just like, why pay that when I can like literally make it myself? Yep, so I got these boards that came 3 in a pack from Target. I really didn't have to go to Target. I could have went anywhere, but I was just at Target at the time. And I was like, since I'm here, let me get some boards. So I got some boards. I'm gonna show y'all everything that I bought and then the stuff that I already had. So on the board, I just had this little ribbon bow I got from Family Dollar for $1. I got this remote from a random drawer in my house that doesn't go to any TV that is in this house. So I was like, might as well put it on there. He can push the little buttons. I mean, I know it's old, like really old, like super old, but you know, whatever. Then these keys, you know, yeah, so that that's a toy that he's had since he was like a little baby, and I just decided to put it on the board. I got this ring box, and I just put a little squishy inside of it, and he can push it and squish it and open and close it, open and close the box. So you know, that's for sensory. And then I got just a little calculator on here that he can push the buttons as well. Got this little push light from Target. Oh, and all of this stuff I already had in house. Well, no, not this calculator. I bought the calculator. But so then I just got this little push light. Push it, then you push it again and it changes colors. Then you push it again and it stops on whatever color that it was on. Then you push it again and it turns off. So I got that from Target. It came 2 in a pack. This mirror right there, it came on a toy that I bought him like last year. And so at first I bought this mirror, like just an oval mirror that goes in like a locker, you know, a school locker. But then I remember I had this, and then we can use this little mirror for anything in the house. So I put that on there instead. You know, it's a little cuter, more age appropriate, I guess. And then this little hamburger thing is actually an ice pack, but you know, ice packs, they have like the little gel stuff in it so it can freeze. So I figured he can just push on that and squish the gel around. Sensories. Yeah, this fidget spinner, it was already mine. This lock I had probably from high school. It was in somewhere in my room. And then I bought these little cute Lego things. They came from Family Dollar. They're party favors. The blue one's kind of hard to open, so yeah. Then I put some more of those squishy things in there, and I got the squishies from Family Dollar too. Then I saw this on Pinterest, and I thought that was really cool. So you just take the lid from some wipes. Just take the lid from some wipes, cut it off, and then glue it on here and put whatever you want in there. And then you know you can open and close it. But I just got some little pom-poms. Got those from Family Dollar. Old phone case that I had, but it's like fur, so he can feel it and be all sensory stuff. You know, different feels on the board. Then I got this zipper. The zipper, it came on, what's it called? A pencil case. It was a pencil case, and I just took the zipper off of the pencil case. And I got it from Family Dollar, and I think it was in the dollar section. So I just took the zipper off of there, and then he can zip it, unzip it, and all that other stuff. And that looks like it's about it that's on the board. The reason I think that busy boards are like really cool and like helpful for the development of a baby is because it's just a whole bunch of random stuff, and then it's not like electronic or anything. So, and you can literally put whatever you want on the board, and you can make it however you want. You can put whatever designs you want, stickers, whatever you want. So I just think it's really cool to have, and when I first saw it on Pinterest, I was like, oh, this is a really cool idea. And so now I'm just now getting around to making it. So that's my DIY busy board for a toddler, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.